How to add TikTok template to CapCut. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the TikTok template to CapCut. So open the TikTok on your device and find the CapCut icon. So you will have to tap right here on TikTok. After that, you will have to find a video with the CapCut icon above the caption, so you can see the CapCut option above the caption in this video. And after that, you will have to tap on the video to open it and then tap on the CapCut icon. So you will have to tap right here on this CapCut icon. Now you will have to tap right here on use template in CapCut. You will have to take the different photos of yours. After adding all of these, you will have to tap right here on the preview button, and then this effect will be added to your video. So this is how you can easily add the TikTok template on your CapCut. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.